By the time this beat done banging, might not recognize your peers. Cause the way my flow is going, we only ascending over here. Think it's time to lift our people, write your story. Need to see, to make a movie. Hey, who put us here? We ain't even in my story. Every day I be on it. Stay out late till the sundown. Wake up high in the morning. Ain't been cutting your corners. You rappers drowning your money. My lyrics bring out the light. Break out the beat and start storming. Like, no love. Living like a quiet nigga. You a stranger, be a help. Lead that okay. I took a break and let the sun get it go. Something through the crowd, 'cause ain't no tiptoe. Built up by your brothers and they're overflow.
Guys, it's your girl Jade, and yes, I had an amazing time performing last night at Unplug and Wine. You guys were lit. Thank you so much for jamming with me. Make sure you guys come out to Alley Cat's music video release party tonight. Watch Your Mouth music video release tonight. If you haven't already got a ticket, it's a little too late because the RSVPs are sold out, okay? But I will be in the building rocking with Alley motherfucking Cat, and it's gonna be a good ass time. So make sure y'all come out with us if you got a ticket.